Hey, what's going on, man? This is Transformation Kennels Theo. How you guys doing out there, man? We're going to give you a quick update on the Reese and the Hurricane puppies. They just got their fresh new haircut, and we're going to let you guys check them out, man. They're looking amazing. We couldn't be more impressed with them, guys. And make sure you guys go to Transformation Kennels and subscribe to our YouTube channel, man. It really helps us a lot. Make sure you hit the bell, turn it on all so you won't miss any of our notifications when we have new videos. Support is free, guys. They said 74% of our people that watch our videos are not subscribed. So if you really appreciate the content and support what we're doing, make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. And wait till you see these amazing puppies, man. They are beautiful. I want to say thank you guys for supporting us, man. We can't do it without you guys, man. We really appreciate you guys. We appreciate Team Transformation. You guys make this teamwork makes the dream work, baby.
The monster.
Yeah, see his pattern and stuff.
This dude cold. Hold on, little buddy.
What you call platinum tri-merle,
man.
Boys. Look at that. Turn around.
Look at that face.
Look at that face. Gorgeous, gorgeous pup right here. Oh, so, sir, we might be keeping this bad boy right here.
Staying with the gang.
There you guys, man. Lift that chest up. Show them that. Spread. Yes, sir.
Look, little buddy.
Beautiful, beautiful. Look at this beautiful farm mirror right here. As you see his spots, you see the other side. Merle spots, guys. Got Merle on his tail, I believe. Some spots in there.
Right
here. Beautiful, beautiful farm boy.
So
Look, this chocolate boy available. Look at that, man.
I'll tell you, man. Let me go out here.
Yes, sir.
There's no health record.
I think this one's cool too. Oh yeah. That dude's chunky though. He's bigger than both of them. What? You want me to hold you? Come here.